Oh yeah. Oh yeah, tastes like real mango. Oh wow. That's really great chocolate. Wow. Oh yeah. I like this better. Actually, I like this. But now I like this better. Nan, babo kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Oreo Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Oreo Pampanga community. For today's vlog, if you notice guys, it's gonna be a refreshing afternoon for me because we would like to thank Max Mango for sending us 7 of their products. One by one, we're gonna taste them. Angeles Pampanga branch nila is located sa Gloans Annex building. That is very near sa Holy Angel University, no? So they are available at Food Panda and Mangan.ph. We're gonna be posting this menu right now, ayan, para po alam nyo yung mga prices and at the same time all of the products they actually sell, no? So let's go one by one. Of course, in the middle natin is yung Mango Overload. This is where it all started. From their name itself, Max Mango. This one is a Mango Overload. Okay. Okay, let's taste it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, tastes like real mango. And then meron tayong parang crushed graham crackers. So you got that contrast of the texture, no? And then on top, you have your, it's like a mousse. And then meron tayong mga slices of mango, real bits slices of mango. Wow! Isa sa mga favorite fruits ko ay yung mango. So later on, I'm gonna enjoy that and finish it off. Let's try this one. This is their Oreo Cheesecake. Physical observation. So meron kang mga parang crushed Oreo cookies now in between yung proper drink, and then on top you have your parang more like a ice cream topped with more Oreo cookies plus some grated cheese. That is really interesting. Chocolate plus cheese. Whoa. Okay, let's taste it. Oh yeah. So creamy. If I'm not mistaken, parang milk-based yung drink niya. Actually, nagugustuhan ko sa Oreo is yung cookie mismo is bitter because of the chocolate, and because of the filling, yung vanilla, is sweet. And at the same time, it's a little bit salty. Kaya you have a burst of several tastes in just one sip kapag ganito yung mga flavors niya, Oreo. Okay, next is the blueberry cheesecake. Again, on top of it, guys, on top of it, meron siyang parang grated cheese. Interesting. So my straw went straight to the bottom. Let's taste yung parang pinaka syrup niya dito. Oh wow. Oh wow. So what I like about this is yung pinaka blueberry natin is not overpowered. It's still milky, but nonetheless, yeah, I think for the the blueberry cheesecake lovers, I think this is gonna be an option for you guys. Actually, it's really good. Okay, so next is this is the mango cheesecake. To give you an idea, actually, guys, yung mga cheesecake natin has cheese on top. Now I know. Siyempre, what is a cheesecake without a cheese, diba? So meron tayong grated cheese then. Okay, now I understand. Again, yung cheese natin, it adds that medyo sour, salty taste. So again, because of the mango, it's a little bit fruity sour yung niya, yung pinaka main taste niya. So another cheesecake refreshment is their strawberry cheesecake drink. Let's see if we have some real bits of. So parang meron pa siyang mga real bits of yung pinaka-strawberry natin. Strawberry fruit natin. Just to mention pala guys, so yung ito natin, yung mango natin, has also real slices of mangoes. I also prefer strawberry drinks, but for this one, I think it's a little bit, as a personal opinion, parang medyo pang kids yung style nito. Okay, so we have 2 cups left. This is their, I think, ito yung mga chocolate selections naman nila. So this is Oreo Chocolate. This one is Chocolate Overload. Wow. Let's taste it, guys. Oh wow. That's really great chocolate. Wow. Wow. I like this a lot, guys. Sarap nito. Wow. It's probably because for the last 4 cups that we've tested, parang milk-based sila. Milk and cheesecake base. As soon as I tasted yung chocolate nila, it gave me a different, really, a twist, 180 degrees twist from the previous cheesecake. Anyway, what I'm trying to say is, this is really great, na? I wanna taste lastly yung kanilang chocolate overload. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I like this better. Actually, I like this. But now I like this better. Chocolate overload. What I like about it is, sobrang sarap ng chocolate niya, pero hindi siya yung parang it scratches your throat na sobrang tamis niya or sobrang chocolate niya. I'm not saying that it's just right, but what I'm saying is I'm really satisfied with the taste. Wow. So, ayun guys, if you are to ask me from the 7 cups that they have sent, which one will I prefer? Actually, yung first try natin for the mango overload, I already got impressed, no, which is I really like. So siguro kung wala akong natingman dun sa mga ibang cups, just this one, I will still be satisfied kung ito lang yung natingman ko. But with the rest of the lineup that they sent us, I'm actually impressed with these 2 chocolates. Yeah, to tell you honestly, guys, medyo na-impress ako dito sa mga dalawang to. Anyway, so guys, if you want to know more about Max Mango, make sure to check out their fan page. It's flashing on your screens right now. Please follow their fan page. They might be, giving some promos or other announcement giveaways probably sa fan page nila. So make sure to follow them so that, you get to be updated. Stay updated dun sa mga announcement nga nila. So ayun guys, thank you for watching Oreo Pampanga. If you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up. You share it with your friends. Make sure to follow us sa Facebook and YouTube. We are also in Instagram to know more about Pampanga. Thank you so much for watching. Until our next video, stay safe, stay at home. I'm gonna share this dito sa bahay. And yeah, God bless us all. Peace!